Ever wondered how to create a CV that stands out for a software engineering job? A well-structured CV can make all the difference. Today, we'll uncover the essentials: understanding the job description, showcasing relevant skills, and tailoring your CV. Stay tuned to learn how to craft a CV that will grab the attention of hiring managers. First off, understanding the job description is crucial. It's like a treasure map guiding you to the gold. In this case, a successful application. You see, a job description is more than just a list of duties. It's a snapshot of what the employer values, what they're looking for in a candidate. So, how do you decipher this map? Well, start by dissecting the job description. Look for the key skills and experiences the employer is highlighting. These are their must-haves. Next, match these with your own skills and experiences. If they need a problem solver with experience in Python, and you've wrangled with complex algorithms in Python at your last job, bingo, that's a match. But remember, don't just copy and paste. You need to show how you use these skills or gain these experiences. That's what will make your CV stand out. Remember, a good understanding of the job description is the first step towards a successful CV. Now, let's focus on how to highlight your relevant skills and experiences. When it comes to your technical skills, be specific. Don't just list languages or software you've used. Instead, detail how you've applied them in projects or tasks. Soft skills are equally important. Emphasize teamwork, problem-solving, and communication abilities. Now, let's talk about your experiences. Here, action verbs are your best friends. Words like developed, led, or optimized show you're not just a passive participant in your roles. Quantifiable achievements are also key. Did you increase efficiency by a certain percentage? Did you lead a team of a particular size? To make your CV easily readable, use bullet points. Each bullet should start with a powerful action verb and ideally include a quantifiable result. Always remember, your skills and experiences are your selling points. Finally, always tailor your CV to the job. This is crucial because each role has its unique requirements and your CV should reflect that you meet these. So, how do we achieve this? By incorporating keywords from the job description. If the job requires proficiency in Python, ensure it's highlighted in your CV. Similarly, if agile methodology is a prerequisite, it should feature prominently. A tailored CV not only shows that you're a perfect fit for the job, but also that you've done your homework. There you have it, folks. Remember, understanding the job description, highlighting relevant skills and experiences, and tailoring your CV are crucial in landing that software engineering job. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about software engineering, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos.